Any sort of knife, scissors or sharp tool will do the job. Grab your can. I'm using the sewing roll on my Swiss champ. I'm just pressing down, rotating back and forth to make the hole, and once I've made it, I'm going to do a couple more twists to smooth it out. I'm going to grab my scissors and start cutting a line on the bottom of the tin can. Make sure it's not too long, but long enough. Then from the middle of the line, cut up a couple inches. Then cut a straight line going across of the same length as the one on the bottom. I'm grabbing my pliers on my Swiss champ to bend the flaps outwards. You can use your hands as well, but be careful because this can be sharp. I'm going to grab the file on my Swiss champ and file the edges down so I don't hurt myself. Then I'm grabbing my sewing roll again. You can use a normal knife as well if you want. Jam the tip of your knife inside and then twist it around slightly to make a hole. Here we have plenty of holes for airflow, so the fire can get enough oxygen. Now before placing my tin can on the ground, I'm going to clear an area so there's no fire risk. Here we have a big space, good enough. Now grab any sort of kindling. I'm going to grab some of the dead branches near me. Then we have the small pieces. I'm going to put everything in the can for now. Now once you're ready to start your fire, grab your tinder and your ferro rod and set fire to it. Now you can start adding your small twigs and kindling to prolong the fire. One important tip is to make sure the flap is downwind so the fire can get enough oxygen and won't starve. Once the flame is roaring, you can add your bigger pieces of kindling. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, I'll be uploading similar content soon.